What's up, everybody? This is Jay. I got another product review, shoe review. This one right here is extra special to me, and I'm going to tell you why. On Nike.com. If you're a member of Nike.com, you get special privileges, and one of them is you can customize and design your own shoe colorways, okay? This right here is a pair of Air Ones that I custom designed, and in the box it says Nike by you. Yeah, that's right, by me. And it says right here, Nike by Jay. So, let's open it up. One of the good things about this is that on the paper, it says it's a one of one. Now, of course, other people can probably come up with the same colorway, or after you see this video, you could bite my style. But hey, say the best form of flattery is imitation. So these right here are my custom Air Force Ones that I designed on Nike.com. It's the cream and red leather. Now, this has the red smooth leather, but then this is the ripple cream leather. And then I put the red on the bottom. I got bloody shoes, red bottoms, okay? And these right here, you can't go wrong. Now, I know you see it say Nike Air, but it actually only said Nike. I wrote that Air on there because these are the Air J's. You see what I'm saying? I had to go ahead and put my name on it. You could get it all, and as you see, stitched in, custom. You can get up to 3 letters on the back of each shoe. In the interior, they even put the red inside behind the tongue with the cream tongue. You could choose what lace color you want. And again, I chose to have the smooth leather at the top, smooth leather for the Nike sign, and the ripple leather. I don't know how well it'll come through, but you can see on the camera that it is a different quality leather. It feels more like a luxury vehicle, the leather here, and it definitely stands out. I've worn these, and a couple times people was wondering where did I get these colorway from, because they never seen them before, because these are some 101. So if you want to make your own, I'm going to put the link down below. You can check it out. Go to Nike.com, and you'll be surprised at the price. It's not that expensive, and you can get your own colorways made directly from Nike and have your own unique shoes. They don't just make Air Ones. You can get Air Max, Kyrie Irvings, a lot of women's shoes, many other Nike shoes that you can have custom made, custom colors, even a pair of Kevin Durant's and some LeBrons and others. So go ahead, check it out. I once had a pair made for my son years ago, and I decided I'm going to go ahead and get another pair made again, and here they are. So check them on out. Let me know what you think. And I'm looking forward to seeing, in the comments if you all went on ahead and got you a pair made. And if you're interested in me reviewing your product, shoes, whatever the case, hit me up and I'll see what we can do. I'm out of here. Deuces.